Hey, welcome back to the channel. I have another quick one for you guys. Is that the mouse on a Spider F3? It is. I just want to tease an upcoming video I have for you guys, but in this one I have Jen with me and she has a cool solution to helmet hair to share with you guys through Mouse Moto. I got Jen here in her Can-Am Ryker 900 helping bring attention to the International Female Ride Day coming up. With a pro tip right here. It was something she shared with me earlier today after the ride when I saw her wearing this, and she wanted to explain it to me, so I thought it'd be cool to share with the rest of you because it's something that she had an issue with and was glad she found some type of result.
It's called the Racy Baby.
Racy Baby?
Yeah, R-A-C-I-B-A-B-I. Some woman with long hair was looking for a solution for it because if you have hair as long as mine, there's not much you can do with it. This doesn't fit in a helmet. So before this, I was just putting my hair in a ponytail and tucking it into my shirt. The first ride I ever did, I didn't do that. I just did a ponytail and let this fly.
So this is putting your helmet on top of it and then your hair coming out kind of like a helmet mullet.
That was a big mistake. I lost a lot of hair doing that.
Oh, dang.
So this is just it's got a pocket on it, and this goes on your forehead, and then these ties just kind of go around. Basically, the way they describe it on the website is that you can have this, long flowing hair when you pull your helmet off, and it's nice and, curled and perfect, and you don't have to do anything with it. So you basically just make a bun. You don't really even need a scrunchie or anything like that. I just make like a very simple bun to get it all together, and then you put there's a pocket on here.
Okay, yeah.
You just put the pocket over the bun.
Oh, that goes in the back.
Yeah, and then
okay,
you just kind of just do a little tie underneath it, and then you do a little tie over it, just like that.
Oh, so that's kind of the hair tie. Right?
Yeah. So then your helmet goes on over it, and this little ball of hair hangs out underneath, and then when you take your helmet off, it's going to yank this off, so it's just going to be like that. But
so the idea of it is it makes removing the helmet a lot easier as far as your hair goes.
Yeah, your helmet just slides right on. This is like, it feels like a bathing suit.
So on and off.
Yeah, so it's very stretchy and smooth, and your hair doesn't get all knotted up when you ride. It doesn't break your hair, so
it's like helmet lube. Makes it easier to get the helmet
lube, yeah.
What material even?
It literally feels like a bathing suit.
Oh yeah.
Like Lycra or.
Oh, that would make it go smooth on, smooth off.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, where did you get this from?
The website Racy Baby.
Oh, the website.
R-A-C-I-B-A-B-I.
Nice. And I like of course we're liking the style here. They make a bunch of different ones then.
Yeah, they have a bunch of colors, a few different patterns like this, but you get solid colors.
Nice. So I guess anybody would probably easily find something to match the style of whatever they're riding with. Can-Am Ryker, that sugar skull theme, or what else they got. I'm sure they got some flame ones or something like that that you can get. Too cool. I definitely appreciate the info, and I'm sure the other women out there would too. Actually, are just dudes with long hair, right? Anybody could have benefit from that, but
they actually have shorter ones too that don't have all of this extra, just like a cap. If you just have short hair and you want to cover it, so they have that too.
See, I wouldn't even have thought just by looking at that. You would think that's the front, because I'm not sure what's happened to that little elastic part.
Yeah, no, this is like a pouch to fit all that hair.
Bun pouch. Nice, cool. Well, appreciate all the info, Jen. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. You guys rocking one of these already? One of the Racy Babies, and they call it the Diva Do, is what it looks like on the website of the model that she has in this video. Like she says, there's other ones on there. I think the one in particular that she shows around $40, and these are made in Florida. So not only in the U.S. but in Florida. And that sounds pretty legit because I see the state of Florida as like the motorcycle capital of the world. I think everyone, based off of the fact that they just have one season, and that's just called humidity. Is their one season. They're just always riding, so they're definitely some motorcycle riding fools over there, which is cool. So perfect headquarters for something like that. That seems like a helpful thing. Like I said, let me know what you guys are doing. Maybe there's another solution. I don't know. I thought this was cool when she was showing it to me, and with the price and everything, I mean, she's obviously fine with it. She's having a lot of fun, and it helps her hair out a lot. So way cool stuff. And I also bring up the International Female Ride Day, because that is coming up. I plan on dropping this video, if not Sunday the 1st, or it might be the 2nd, but just trying to give you guys a notice that is coming up on the 7th, and that is going to be on Saturday if you're staying current with this video's drop. During the week, I'll be posting some more things about it as far as awareness goes. I have a collab with Girl on 3 Wheels. That is the alias, the handle I've coined for her is Ryker Queen of the North. Probably seen me use that hashtag before, but we're doing a little collab. We're calling it Queen and Mouse for that day. We'll be in contact, and I'll be posting some of her stuff on Thrill Mouse Moto outlets like Instagram. We'll be going live, doing some stuff. She has a really cool ride planned out up there in Canada with some other females, so I'm just trying to do something to show support, solidarity, all that with that. And then other people, like especially Jen. Big shout out to Jen for helping with this video, and in the next couple of videos also that I have, like me riding that F3 Limited that stands from Rent Your Ryker Garage. So mad big awesome shout out to Jen and Stan for hooking me up this day with some good content to share with you guys. Look forward to seeing more of that. I also plan on going live to talk about the International Female Ride Day, and I want to share some hashtags and things with you guys to use, because the mouse definitely wants to have some presence on this day to help out. Thanks for watching, guys.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Thrill Mouse Moto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, Thrill Mouse Moto.